Grab the food, add your spice, make it nice. I'm telling you why. Flavor Station's coming to town. And we're back, baby. First thing you're gonna need is some lean diced steak. Beefy, baby. Now, this is gonna be quite tough if you don't cook it down, yeah? Hold tight, Dampy. This is a request off a friend of mine, you know? Dice some shallots. Julienne them shallots. Get all this ready on the side. Then we're gonna cook the beef, and then we're gonna cook the mushrooms and ting. Red pepper, you don't know the steez. Gonna add a nice smoky peppery flavor. We're gonna use some smoked paprika salt, stock cube, cream, all that good stuff. Oyster mushrooms, just slice them in half because they're just gonna reduce down to nothing and shrink, so you don't want slices. And normal cooked mushrooms, whole, boom. 2 garlic cloves, slicer. Garlic cloves. Hot pan, hey. Now grab yourself a bowl. You might want to pull out the beef if it's not too watery. Like if you get a good seal on it, good colour, see it there, red hot, sizzle. Seal it up. Looks like it's releasing quite a lot of juice, so I doubt we'll need the bowl. Just keep it hot and it should release juice, which we'll then use as a stock to cook this steak down in. Yes, kind of like making a pie mix, you know. Really, you want to use beef fillet and then you can just see it, sinew, stringy, get rid, bouncy. Now, just make sure the beef's covered with boiling water and just keep it that way. Just keep simmering it. Beef stock cube, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Follow on Insta, baby. Flavor_station. Now, that's going to need about 10-15 minutes to simmer down. So put that on a simmer ring at the back. Now we're gonna cook the mushrooms and all them ting there. This is what will finish the dish in. See all your chopper tings into your pan, sweat them off, flipper. Look at the flick of the wrist. Whoa. Yeah, man. Cook that down. On the 6th day or 7th day of Christmas. Yeah, boy, it's Christmas time. Garlic butter. Boom shakalaka. If you ain't got garlic butter, just use normal butter, but Stroganoff, man, I love it. Garlic, it's a bombo. Blow off your head top. Make your missus not want to come near you for 2 days and that. Hey. Now, if you'd be so kind as to subscribe, hit the ding dong so you're notified every time I release a video. I very much appreciate that. Now look at that. Soften down a little bit, take your heat off. Now, we're just gonna cook out this beef. See, still got the bounce, gonna need at least another 5 to 10 minutes. See when it's like, see, it's like bouncy. Soon as your beef is tender, we'll show you how it is. Check this out now. Look and learn, look at that. Oh man, so fit. Look. Oh, man, it's so bouncy in that, man. Oh, it's peng. Yeah, boy, bang that straight in there, stock and all. Give that a little mix. Starting to look like a stroganoff now. Grab your cream. Oh yeah, boy. Now you can have this with rice or pasta. I'm sure it's usually served with potato, but it don't really matter, blood. You can do whatever. Doesn't matter. See it there? Now I'm gonna come behind, season it with some smoked paprika salt, but you can just use normal salt. You've already got your paprika, but I like that deep red, lovely, salty, smoky fish, you get me? The beef and ting. I love it, man. Look at it. Just simmer that till see how it moves away from the pan. That's how you know it's the correct thickness now. And she's done, baby. Serve with rice or whatever you like. The quiz, the Flavor Chaser Christmas quiz. What country does Stroganoff originate? Is it A, Italy, B, France, C, Germany, or D, Russia? Comment your answer below and you'll find out at the end of the vid, boy. Now look at that. So tender, so flavorful, so beautiful. Don't say I never do nothing for you, you know. Look at it. Look how tender it is. You can just imagine chewing on that. It's gonna have that bite to it, but then there's little bits of fat there that are just gonna be like, silky. Look, let's just admire her. Beef. It's gotta be done. Lovely midweek meal. Imagine getting in from graft. That's funny. Yeah, imagine getting in from graft to this nice hot, just coat your ribs. Jeez, look at her. On the close-up, man. Juicy, tender, beautiful. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, man. It's gonna be a weird one. Sorry London's in tier 4, but you gotta do what you gotta do. I'll just leave it at that. Look at that mushroom. Not mushroom for error. Hey. And the answer to the Christmas quiz was D, Russia. Thanks for watching. Click that thing, watch the video. Click that other thing, bottom right, subscribe, love you, bye.